you guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dawn Does Life, and if you've never been here before, hey, hello, hi, welcome, hugs. So today I am going to be unboxing two things I purchased off of Etsy, and I am so excited to see these things out of their bag. I have been waiting for them. This one came first, and I waited a little bit longer for this one, and I wanted both of them to be here before I opened them. So I'm gonna actually start with this one here, and I'm just gonna actually take out nice bag. Okay, I want to move that envelope out of the way. I'm so scared I'm gonna flip it over and like show off my address to you guys. So this came from a company called Works on Etsy. This is her card. She's from Edmonton. It was so nice. She actually messaged me and told me that it was on its way. And so I waited for 3 days, or 3 or 4 days actually, and was I just couldn't wait for it to come. So I did open this. I reached in, I didn't take this out of the package, but I did reach in and open this. Oh, and you guys, I forgot to tell you too. She does have a Facebook group if you want to go and check her out. She's on Alberta Diamond Painting. So go check out the group. I haven't checked it out yet, but actually I think I'm going to go check it out as well. So I'm going to put that off to the side. So I did open this. I reached in, I grabbed these out because I wanted to play with it, and I knew I was still waiting for this other package to come, and I didn't have enough patience, I guess. And I've been doing some multi-placing and experimenting with that, and I wanted to check this out. So these are skinny tips. I've been hearing people talk about these as being the be-all end-all, and they were not wrong. I am so happy with these. These will let you snug your diamonds right up or butt them up against the previous row so nicely. I tried out, which one is this, the 7? Yeah. So I tried out the 4 and the 7. I think I got 2 kits or 2 sets of them of 4, 7, and 10. 7. Oh, maybe I got 3. Oh, I got 3 sets. One of them must be on here, because that would be the other 7, and then there's only 2, 4. Yeah, okay. But where's the, oh, maybe the tip is on the pen too. Okay, never mind. I'm like, am I missing something? So you can see that I use these, and I actually just wanted to show you the difference between the old multi-placing head and this one. So this is the ones that you get if you're going to get a multi-placer on your pens. It's more than likely going to be one of these. And if you just take a look, I want to get into the center here, but my extension arm is covering right where my fingers are, so hopefully you guys can see this. This is so thin, and you can see that there's quite a bit of a ledge edge, and it kind of is rounded, so it's actually even wider. And don't mind my hands, you guys. I'm actually I just took all my gel off, and I'm about to redo my nails. I do them myself at home, and I've been trying to give them a little bit of a break because they're in pretty rough shape. But okay, we're not here to talk about my nails. Just don't be offended by their nastiness right now. Okay, so yeah, so this is a 3-placer, this is a 4-placer, but this would not let you get really close up, and I had some problems with placement of my drills when using this one. When using this skinny one, much less. So I am really looking forward to using these on, well, more regularly, hey? So there you go. All right, so that is not, I mean, that is like Christmas right there. But what I'm really excited to look at is this bad boy right here. So I saw this on the site, and I just fell in love with it just from the picture. Oh, it's like angels sing. Ah. Okay, never mind, that probably didn't come out very right. Oh, you guys. Oh, it's so pretty. I love the shimmer in the pink. Now, I never would have thought I'd go for a brown. This pen was called Cinnamon Swirl, and I was right, that tip is there, that extra tip. Oh my goodness, just look at the detail in the white swirls. I'm just gonna come up really close here. Hopefully you'll still have light. But look at that, it's so pretty. Oh, I love it. Now it seems shorter. This is the pen I got off of Amazon. Oh, I guess I should stick the tip back on to give it. But yeah, it is. If you take a look at the one from Amazon and you take a look at the one I got off of Rollerworks, it's quite a bit shorter. But the one thing that it wasn't even that big of a deal. I didn't dislike. I actually really like this pen, but there's not a very big bump right here, so your hand can still slide a little bit, but it's like meters above the pink pens that come in the kits themselves. So yeah, no, I still like this one. I don't know, maybe I'm just complaining about nothing, but my finger, I did find that my finger did move a little bit. What I really like about this is that there is a definite edge to this, so that your finger's not gonna, or your fingers aren't gonna move. Oh yeah. You guys, isn't she pretty? And this lady makes these into sewing, like seam rippers on one end and a sewing awl on the other. It's just a pointy thing to help you feed fabric under or very close to your needle. She does pens in this, so you guys should really go check out her shop. Again, it's Rollerworks on Etsy. She is Canadian from Edmonton, so wow, so impressed with that. And then my next one here, you guys, this one came from Quebec. I just don't want to show you guys my address. Oh yep, she has a card. Okay. This one I didn't even look at because, like I said, the other one I knew. I just wanted the, I wanted, to play with the, oh, you guys. So this one is called Caro 3D Creations. Now, being that it's 3D Creations, I would assume that she makes 3D stuff. I know I looked at her site. She had quite a few things on there, but now that I'm thinking about it, I can't really remember what types of products. But I would assume that it's diamond painting stuff because there was a diamond painting pen. So she put in a thing of wax. It came in this bag, which, I mean, that's a nice touch. That's very sweet. And then it also came in this plastic container. So... which is good because it's extra protection. It didn't get banged around. So Caro 3D Creations, and again, she has a Facebook page as well called Caro 3D Creations. So very nice. And look at this pen, you guys. So this is more similar to and it's the same length. So this is more similar and actually even less bumpy here. And again, like I said, it's not a complaint. There is still a little bit of a divot here so that your fingers do kind of sit in there, but just not as huge of a bump on the end. But you look at the shiny, swirly, luminescent beauty of this pen. I just love the colors. So any of you who do know me know that green is one of my favorite colors, and I just love the green mixed with the blue mixed with the kind of bronze color. Oh wow. So I saw this on the site too, and I mean the pictures on the site are great, but that's what made me fall in love with it and decide to buy it. But they don't do it justice compared to what you see in person. But I will just bring it as close as I can and try to tilt this light a bit, maybe. I don't know. I hope you guys can see this because, wow. It is so pretty. It is so pretty. Like, when you put it under the light, look at the swirls. And different. Like, I usually see them more with, like, this type of swirls. I really love how this is blended. So beautiful. Oh. And I mean, this one came with one of the fatter ends, and then the single tip. And then it actually did come with some extra tips. I don't know what these are, though. I'm not very good at I would say that's like a 6 maybe, or maybe a 7, and maybe a 10. I don't know, maybe a 9. I'm really not good at at figuring out how. I actually have to take my painting and then like see how many beads sit under it. Wow, you guys, I'm starting to build up a collection. Those are the 3 pens I have now. I'm so excited. I've been using this one like a mad woman. You can see actually I've got some of my sticky tack in there. But yeah, I've got some pretty neat pens. I should put this one on this side so that it's like... My husband thinks I'm crazy, and he thinks the entire diamond painting universe is crazy because we all have like fancy pens and we spend money on our pens and we spend money on our canvases nonstop, and he thinks I'm totally weird. But you guys, I also wanted to show you this too. Sorry. I just say to my husband, "That's nice, dear." I got these from the dollar store, Dollarama. So I think there was like $1.50 for the 3, but I saw these and I mean, does this say diamond painting or what? Sparkle, smile, shine. I'm actually going to take these and I've got some magnets and I'm actually going to turn them into cover minders. I don't know if they'll work, but I'm going to try and see what I can do with it. But I just thought, when I saw this, it was just like, it was like it jumped out at me. And I mean, like I said, it's so perfectly aligned with what I have been doing at this desk, and I thought, wow. And I've been trying to look for something that I could turn into a cover minder. It is a bit big, but I don't care. It's just perfect. Like I said, it's the perfect words. So I'm gonna move those off to the side. And that is going to do it for me, you guys. This is a really short video. I just really wanted to share my pen collection with you all. And just to let you guys know, I just got in a shipment from Spell Queen, and I'm going to be doing that unboxing very shortly. And I've got my canvas that is now officially half done, that I am going to show you guys also maybe in the next video, or maybe I'll do a whip and chat. So I have got some cool videos coming up, as well as one of my subscribers sent me, I have my very first subscriber mail, and it is the coolest thing ever, and I can't wait to unbox it. Just based on the company name, where it came from, I cannot wait to unbox it. So that's gonna do it for me today. Thank you so much for sharing my excitement over my new pens. Not this one I already showed you guys, but and I just am so happy that I was able to support some Canadian companies. I know we're probably all going through rough times right now, although I would assume that the diamond painting, puzzle market and diamond painting market and the craft market is probably doing very well. But these pens are so beautiful, and I couldn't be happier. So you guys, I hope you are having tons of fun wherever you are and whatever you're doing. Don't forget to smile and have fun. Sparkle like you mean it, and shine bright like a diamond. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye!